How are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Complete your drawing and craft in given time, and don't forget to update your all drawing and craft in time, and don't forget to give comment. Okay, so today we are going to make some decorative craft for house decoration or anywhere you can use this craft. Okay, so let's start. Here I am taking 3 craft paper, scissor, pencil and Fevicol. So let's start. First I am going to draw center petal. After this, and last one. Now I am going to cut this. I am going to fold this in center. Cut it properly. While cutting, be careful. Yes, we get 2 petals. Here our petals is ready. Pink one is bigger, purple shade is middle in size, and last one is smaller in size. Okay, so let's start sticking. Paste it properly. You can use this craft for your house decoration while on the occasion of Ganpati. Here I am going to cut this orange chart paper in circle shape, and I am going to paste here. Or you can use decorative materials, kundan or any patch for decoration. Student, you have to make 3 to 4 lotus like this. Now I am going to draw like this, and I am going to cut this. Here I am taking ochre color strip. You can use yellow color also. Now I am going to fold this strip like this. Now I am going to draw one circle and this, and I am going to cut this. Here I am taking ochre color strip. You can use yellow color also. Now I am going to fold this strip like this. Now I am going to draw one circle and this, and I am going to cut this. Cut it properly. Open this. We get like this. Okay. Now I am going to paste this lotus on this strip, and I am going to decorate my wall. You can use this craft for Ganpati decoration at your home. Okay. Bye students.